name is Jimmy, and I'm here today to show you my new and brand new board. It's called the Smart Balance. Of course, you guys know it's called Smart for short. I got the, let me see, it shows you right here. I got the black one, all black. Here are all of the ones that you can get. Let me try to pick it up. Here are all the, you get blue and white, red outside and black. It's black outside and red, and a blue and red. My favorite is the black and red. And here are all the stuff. Max load is 100 kg, so that's about like 220 pounds. Max speed is 10 kilometers an hour. So that's like 10 miles per hour. Max mileage 15 to 20k miles. Lithium battery, but 36V 448H. Pretty strong. It just shows you all of this, the warranty, the board, the heavy board. And the other side, it shows you the same thing. And then the other side, let's open. No, the bottom is open. And I purchased this in a store. They gave me in that box. So here we go. The box is pretty big. It's like a cut. I think this is a special card. It's the Lamborghini version. And that's the one I wanted. The key, yep, that's what I want. Charger, battery, and this is brand new. They said they just got this, so I got the newest one that they got. So I was like, "Which one's the newest one you got?" He's like, "Oh, this one." So then I asked him if I can have it. He said, "Oh yeah, you can have it for 200K." I was, no, I mean 200. I said K, and I was like, "Okay, let me see if this is good." Yeah, you can still see. Yikes. Ew. And then I was like, okay. You take it for 200? I was like, okay. I was like, then I got it. Then I brought it home. Can you guys see that mother load? Right there. Mother load. Let's press on. And this is called a user's manual. It shows you all the stuff about it. Like when to charge it, how much to charge. Alright. Control and information display device. Number 1, remote control. Optional. It is a remote control that can operate within the distance of 5 meters. It is not necessary. Can auto shut down. It's up. All this stuff. This. All that. Yeah. Here you go. Here's some stuff. I'm gonna carry you for this one. It says comments, battery, continents, battery, charging time, 2 to 3 hours, voltage, 36 volt, Intel capacity, 2 to 4H AH, working temperature, 15 to 50 Celsius, charging temperature, 0 to 40 Celsius, storage time, 20 to 25, 12 months, storage humidity, 5% to 95%. Alright guys, I'm going to see you later.